Hello everyone. It is me, a Fin. Can you see that? Yeah. That's what happens when your alarm clock breaks. It annoys you. If you guys remember, I used it for one of my videos. And then, kind of broken up in the middle of the night. So you see what I've done to it. I've completely destroyed it. I did not like what I just experienced. It was so annoying. It woke me up 10 times in the middle of the night. So you're like, hey, where's the footage? Hey. Oh, not the footage? Well, yeah. I'm giving you footage in a few seconds. Yeah. Here's some footage. Isn't it annoying? So annoying! It's broken. As soon as I put the battery in, it just... So yeah. Oh, you want to hear it again? Oh, yeah. Wait a minute. Wait a minute. You just saw the truth. It's so annoying. It's so annoying to my ears. I threw the battery. I didn't put it back in just for you guys to know it's annoying. The time passed. Baby beast. Time passed. My dreams are done. Well, bye.